Do you want to learn the secrets of how the rich manage their money? Well, it's definitely possible, and you can start right now by making some changes to your lifestyle. For a long time, researchers have been analyzing and assessing the lives of millionaires and billionaires. They're trying to figure out what makes them successful. When compared to the average person, it turns out that they have a very unique perspective on financial matters. So let's take a look at some of the best ways in which you can handle your money like the rich and powerful. How do rich people manage their money? What better way to learn about money management than from the wealthy? The way wealthy individuals think and act about money is an important aspect of acquiring and retaining wealth. If you try to be like them, you'll get where you want to go faster. Yes, there are wealthy people who have no idea how to handle their money and have to hire accountants and advisors to do everything for them. But there are also wealthy people from whom you can learn a lot. The truth is that having the right attitude is the most important part of being good with money. I know, having the right attitude won't make you rich all by itself, but it's about 90% of the battle. You don't have to be a millionaire to manage your money well, but if you do it well enough, you can end up being one. Let's get into the best methods on how you can manage your money like the wealthy. Pay yourself first. For a long time, the recommendation to pay yourself first has been the golden personal financial rule, and the wealthy always pay themselves first. But what precisely does this mean? It's simple. When you get your paycheck, the first thing you should do is deposit some of it into savings or retirement account. If you have set up a direct deposit, this will happen automatically. Consider it like a bill that's due every time you get paid. Even a tiny sum saved or invested can add up over time. The ordinary American prefers to buy rather than pay themselves first. The immediate thrill of spending money as soon as you get paid is appealing, but it's a wealth-destroying habit. Millionaires do not spend their money straight immediately. Instead, they save it. This is a significant distinction between millionaires and ordinary people. Before spending money on other trivial things, the wealthy constantly invest in themselves. So, whether you invest in stocks, real estate, a business, or your education, you should utilize your money to invest in yourself. You've worked hard for your money, so treat yourself first. Invest in income-producing assets. Many people become wealthy through investing. You can invest in a variety of items, including stocks, real estate, cryptocurrency, precious metals, and so on. The idea is to get aware about a particular investment area and then make strategic investments based on study rather than emotion. If you decide to invest in stocks, I propose that you set up automatic deposits so that you can invest in the stock market hands-free. Millionaires invest in stocks on a monthly basis, weekly, or even daily basis. The buy and hold strategy is ideal for long-term passive investing. Begin an automatic investing plan in the same way you would pay yourself first. You're already doing it if you contribute a portion of your earnings to a 401k or an IRA. If your workplace offers a 401k match, definitely take advantage of it. Set up a Roth IRA as well as a standard brokerage account to take things a step further. You can remain with index funds or, if you like, pick your own stocks. The idea is to think long-term and avoid allowing emotions to get in the way. Set a comfortable amount and have it invested automatically on a regular basis. The same is true for cryptocurrency and other assets. If you want to invest in physical real estate, automated investments are not an option. However, you may always invest in REITs, which are real estate stock funds. To invest in the most passive way imaginable, I recommend Wealthfront, a robo-advisor that performs all the work for you. If you wish to invest in specific stocks or ETFs, I recommend Webull and Robinhood, both of which are free to use. For cryptocurrency, be cautious. I recommend Coinbase, a secure and trustworthy crypto platform. Simply said, the wealthy utilize their money to acquire assets rather than obligations, and they work hard to automate this process so that they may focus their attention on other things. This is exactly what you should do if you want to handle your money like a millionaire. Make sacrifices. Rich people, believe it or not, continue to make sacrifices after becoming wealthy. They risked losing their fortunes if they didn't. Anyone can lose their wealth if they lack self-control and financial discipline. Average individuals may make different sacrifices than the wealthy, but the idea remains the same. Forget about immediate enjoyment and consider the long picture. Millionaires make sacrifices in order to live within their means and earn money. Here are several examples. Instead of dining out, bring a sack lunch to work. Work more hours or find a second job. Get a degree that will help you earn more money. Drive a beater rather than a new car. Begin a side business. Instead of watching TV, read. Giving up your free time to grow your income or start a business is a millionaire move. Another is to replace entertainment with education. Simply said, save as much money as possible and invest it in something that will benefit you in the future, such as a business or a higher education. Track your finances and set goals. Keeping track of your finances is the first step towards financial success. Wealthy people usually keep track of where their money goes and where it comes from. It forces you to be conscious of your financial situation, allowing you to find opportunities for improvement. Setting goals is an important part of keeping track of your finances. How much do you want to save or earn? When will you be able to afford a home? How much do you want to make and how are you going to get there? Millionaires do not just declare, "I want to make more money." They establish precise objectives. Here are a couple of examples. In my retirement savings, I want to average 15 to 20% annual returns. I'll have enough money to put down on an investment property if I save an extra $2,000 for 6 months. Maintain a consistent record of your expenditures, income, and investments. It will become second nature after a while. Make clear financial goals that will keep you challenged and progressing towards riches. Seek out a professional money manager. As previously said, wealthy individuals hire wealth consultants to assist them in managing their finances. Even wealthy people sometimes lack financial expertise, but most know when to seek assistance. This is not at all a bad thing. It's not a sin to seek assistance if you do not understand something. You don't have to be wealthy to hire a financial counselor. They can assist you in setting objectives and assessing your current situation, but it is still necessary to master the fundamentals of personal finance. You should also investigate the advisor and make sure you agree with their advice. Request confirmation of their track record and seek for online reviews. The more money you have, the more probable it is that you will profit from the services of a financial counselor. If you can handle things yourself, it might not be worth hiring someone else to do them. Self-education via books and the internet can provide more than adequate assistance. It's primarily determined by your personal expertise and objectives. Remember that the greatest person to get financial guidance from is yourself. But seeking assistance is not something to be ashamed of. Use debt wisely. Not all debt is bad, and millionaires know how to tell the difference between good and bad debt. Debt can be used to gain wealth, knowledge, and general life satisfaction. However, it might also have a negative impact on your finances. Assume you're going to repair your vehicle. The repair will cost $900, which you can pay with a credit card. The credit card offers 0% interest for 18 months. You have enough money saved to pay in cash. What is the most efficient way to pay for the repairs? In this scenario, it's the credit card, as long as you pay the bill within 18 months. This way, the money in your savings account can receive interest and grow over the next 18 months. If the promotion did not exist, paying in cash would be the preferable option. Here are some examples of what is referred to as bad debt. Using a high-interest credit card to purchase unneeded products. Obtaining an auto loan for a vehicle you desire but do not require and cannot afford to purchase. A high-interest loan that will bankrupt you. Personal loans with high interest rates or payday loans. Here's some examples of what is referred to be good debt. Credit cards with no interest if used sensibly. A mortgage for a house that you can afford. Mortgage for a rental property to boost your cash flow. Auto loan with low or no interest for a car you can afford. Student loans for furthering one's education. If not spent wisely, this can result in bad debt. Not all debt is harmful. You can use debt to enhance your wealth, but be careful not to dig yourself into a hole too deep to climb out of. Make frugality a habit. Many wealthy folks don't mind wearing outdated jeans or a plain t-shirt. Have you ever seen Bill Gates or Mark Zuckerberg dressed? They are extremely wealthy, but they're still frugal. If you want to manage your money like a billionaire, you must be frugal. It's recommended in numerous financial books and blogs for a reason. It works. Wealthy billionaire Jeff Bezos, the creator of the mega company Amazon, drove an aging Honda car. This was a perfectly nice automobile, he said when asked why. The goal is to be wealthy, not appear wealthy. Because of the expensive items they purchase, many poor people appear to be wealthy. Perhaps they're attempting to impress others or make themselves feel better. In any case, it's an exceedingly expensive way of life that may easily be avoided. That being said, it's not the end of the world to treat yourself to a few things. Just be mindful of how you spend your money. Make frugality a habit. Learn to shop for bargains and try not to impress anyone except your accountant. This is how rich people manage their money. As you can see, managing your money like the wealthy is not difficult. All it needs is devotion and patience. 90% of the battle is having the appropriate mindset. So shift your mindset from a spending perspective to a money-making and money-savings one, and you'll see your wealth grow. Simply follow these money management strategies and you'll be well on your road to financial success. So, what do you think about these important tips to manage money like the rich? Share with us in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it with your friends so we can keep making videos like this. For more content like this, subscribe to our channel. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.